Hey guys, welcome back to the cabin site. It's about, I don't know, 16 degrees today, February 1st. We're going to get chopping down some trees today, getting some logs ready, and I also got a new tool I finally got, draw knife. We're going to give this a try. Just a cheap one, 36 bucks on Amazon. We'll give it a try and see how it does. Alright, let's get to work knocking down some trees. I took the draw knife right out of the box. I never put an edge on it. This is right from the manufacturer. It still peeled some of the bark, but it definitely needs to be sharpened. And we'll have it sharpened for next time. I got this chili mac with beef from Mountain House for Christmas. And basically all you do is heat up 2 cups of boiling water, pour it right in a pouch, let it sit for 8-9 minutes, and it's ready to go. Eat it right out of the pouch.
let's give it a try. Looks good. Man, that is good. Thanks, Sarah. Alright guys, that's it for today. We got a bunch of trees chopped down. And now I'm just going to have a drink, sit by the fire for a second, and then I'm going to hump on out of here. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.